Welcome. My name is Taras and I would like to introduce you my K-Site project that is a fully automated Python-based solution for creating static sites out of GitHub public repository. Create a zipped index folder that allows to see what's inside the zip through static and dynamic indexes. And K-Site core and K-Site zip are two desktop solutions. Those allow you to wrap your folders into index logic for just a folder in case of core and the zipped one in case of K-Site zip before shipping it to further recipients. So K-Site public is a fully automated Python pipeline that enables you create a static website through GitHub app pages. Your solution would look like this in case you decide to fork my repo and put your content in, and it will be automatically updated. Plus your content will be automatically indexed and you would be able to see what's inside that within your website. The solution is really nice in case you need to keep up live documentation without involving heavy coding resources and some other things like, for example, portfolios, recruiter-based resumes, and some other public targeted things you would like to run live or be able to chase quickly. So the website logic allows you to be navigating between the pages through back and home, and that's basically it. All you need to do is update your content and it will be updated through GitHub Actions. Like I said before, the pipeline is fully automated. Thank you. Next, we'll introduce other components of this project.